Captain Vinny, what do you say this morning? What do you have to say?
Looks like a good day. Good day to sail. Off we go.
Where are we going?
Anacortes, Washington.
Anacortes, Washington. And where are we starting out from here?
Nawiliwili Harbor on Kauai.
How long do you think it's going to be?
About 3 weeks.
3 weeks, and what are we going to see on the way?
Some trash. And some other stuffs. Water. Yeah, lots of water. That's about it. Maybe a couple other boats. But
are you going to catch me a fish?
We are going to catch you a fish. Yes.
Okay, we're going to make fish tacos.
Fish tacos. We got taco stuff too.
Amen.
So. Are you rolling backwards?
Yep.
A little more gas. More power in reverse. More throttle.
Gotcha.
Be safe, have fun.
Hey Corey.
Yes.
What are you, first mate?
Yes.
So what does that make me? Galley winch?
No, you're a mate.
I'm a mate?
Only if you say so. Everyone defines themselves by their thoughts, actions, and words.
Awesome.
Play. This is SHAIN. He's our mate.
Sure.
Alright, sorry about that, you
First
guys.
mate, second mate, galley wedge.
Galley wedge. I'm proud to hold my position as galley wedge.
We are too.
Yeah, we just hooked that one up and then tie it off on this end. Possibly. Leave it.
Ocean waves, just like light. You can crash and fall, roll with the tide, or stand up tall. Dream. Live your beautiful dream. Live your beautiful dream.
This is where I sleep. So I share my room with the Kirkland bath tissue and a lot of stuff, parts, boat stuff. I don't know what all that is. And I sleep sideways because the boat's always heeled over, and if I sleep the right way, I'll be just shoved into the corner by the momentum of the boat, and it's kind of annoying. Everything that we do is challenging because you spend a lot of energy just holding yourself up because you're always pressed up against the wall. Kind of like if you were on a ride at the amusement park. This is how I make coffee, guys. And you can see that I'm bracing myself here. Because if you look outside, pretty hectic out there. This time I think I'm going to make a chili lime avocado salsa. We got some avocados and a whole bag of limes, so I think it's going to be good. The first tacos were amazing. It's going to be hard to beat, but I'm going to try. Cooking is definitely a challenge, but I am very determined, and I've been making successful meals here, feeding everybody, I think, pretty well. I hope they're happy.